Tahimik siyang kumikilos sa puso ko kahit hindi ko napapansin. And honestly, I never expected na ganito ko kabilis kikilos si God sa buhay ko. Akala ko matatagalan akong bumangon, akala ko years pa bago gumaling sa mga sugat na dala ko. But God moved in ways I never imagined. A few months after CI, sobrang unexpected po na naging teacher ako sa DCS at naging part ulit ng summer camp. Yung dating umiiyak ang sa harap ng Diyos, siya na ngayon yung ginagamit niya para magturo at mag-encourage ng iba. Minsan po naisip ko bakit ako. Kasi alam ko kung gaano ako mahina noon. Alam ko kung gaano ako kadaming beses sumuko sa sarili ko. Pero noon ko mas nakita kung paano kumikilos ang Diyos. Because He doesn't wait for us to become perfect before He uses us. He works through broken people, wounded hearts, and silent battles. Doon ko po mas na-realize ang meaning ng likod. Hindi lang pala ito tungkol sa kilos natin para sa Diyos, kundi tungkol din sa paggalaw ng Diyos sa buhay natin. Because when God moves, He changes hearts, heals wounds, restores people, and gives purpose to pain. Pero nalilis ko rin po na habang kumikilos ang Diyos sa buhay natin, kailangan din natin piliin na tulungan ang sarili natin. Kailangan din natin piling mag-heal, mag-grow, at tumapit sa Kanya. Because healing starts when we allow God to move in us and when we choose not to stay where the pain left us. If I could tell my past self one thing, it would be that God will not wait for you to feel ready before He moves in your life. You can tell Him that you're tired, scared, and confused, but even when the world keeps spinning and life just keeps moving, God will still be there beside you. People will say, just take a deep breath. But even breathing feels heavy when your heart is tired from carrying too much pain. An oxygen tank may cost thousands as well if someone breathes. But God gave life back to my tired soul freely, even when I felt like I could no longer continue. The road ahead with God was not easy. It was filled with struggles, delays, wounds, and silent battles, but He still brought me to where I am today. And now that I've reached this season of my life, I realize that God did not just heal me so I could stand again, but also so I could help and guide people who are carrying the same pain I once carried. At kung may natutunan po ako ay ito yun. Kapag umilos ang Diyos sa buhay mo, hindi ka naiiwan sa dating version ng sarili mo. He will transform you little by little to the person He wants you to become. And now I can say that the tears that I thought were the end of me are actually the beginning of my change. God turned my breakdown into a testimony, my pain into purpose, and my scars into